What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to create a logo. And this logo I'm going to be creating is going to be for a betting group. This is more or less like a freestyle, because right now I don't even know the name of the logo, but I'm going to be showing you guys the full process of how I'm going to create it from scratch to like branding it, customization, and all those kind of designing stuff. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Watch to the end of this video. So guys, for this particular logo design, I already came up with like 3 names, but I've been like going through everything, thinking. So my final decision is going to be this Bago tips, cause kind of like illustrate something that has to do with football, as in Bago, go as in go ball, something like that. So this is what I'm going to be going with. So right now I'm just going to be experimenting some ideas I've already sketched down. So stay tuned and watch my full process. So guys, after all the whole parabolating, I came up with 6 concepts, and I'm actually moving towards that, either 1, 3 and 6, 6 being the most strongest. So I'm going to be experimenting more on the 6th logo. So you guys can go ahead and leave whichever one you prefer in the comment below, so I just know your preference. So I'm going to be going towards the 6th. I'm going to be expanding more on that, like doing more customization, colors, the rest. So
So guys, this is like a quick markup of the design, like a showcase. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to like find other things to mark up this design to, and I'm going to show you guys in the final presentation. So stay tuned.